Welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving this very important problem and very famous problem, right? Best time to buy and sell the stock. Okay, let's see. You are given an array prices where prices I is the price of an stock on the ith day. Okay, so let me explain the first line over here. So this is the array and these 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4 are the prices on each day. So 7 represent the first day, 1 represent second day, 5 represent the stock price on the third day, so on and so forth. Okay, you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in future to sell the stock. Okay, so it's like if we choose to buy a stock on uh, the first day that the price was 7 and we choose to sell the stock on second day, the price is 1. So what is the profit? We bought at the price of 7 and we are selling at the price of 1. So the difference is 6 and that is negative, right? 7 like 1 minus 7 is minus 6, right? So we are in a loss of 6. You can say that rupees, right? So it's like that. So return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay, so let's see the profit 0 example. So here if you see the stock prices are decreasing, right? On the day 1 it was 7, day 2 it is 6, day 4 3 it is 4, and 3 and 1, so it is decreasing continuously, right? So let me explain you with the help of this. Okay, so let's say if we choose to buy on any of the day, let's say this one like 7, and we sell on third, like at the price of 3. So what will happen? Buy is 7, sell is 3. So profit will always be sell minus buy, right? So sell is 3 and buy is 7. So profit is minus 4. So it is loss, right? It is loss. So like if the stock prices is continuously decreasing, then we cannot sell, right? It will always be a loss. So in that case, the profit or the final answer will be 0, right? So how we can solve this? How we can solve this problem? Okay, so here also we can see like this example. Let me explain how we are achieving 5 over here. Then we will see how we will be solving this problem. Okay, so buy on day 2. Okay, so this is day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So buy on day 2. The price is 1 and sell on day 5. Day 5 that is 6. So sell is 6 rupees, right? So the profit is always sell minus buy. So 6 minus 1 that is 5. So the maximum profit which we can achieve from this transaction is 5, right? And here note, if we need to read carefully, that we cannot buy on day 2. Okay, let me explain this thing. So what they are saying over here, this is day 2, right? This is day 2, this is day 1. So note that buying on day 2 and selling on day 1 is not allowed. So it's not like you buy on day 2 and like let me write day 2 with price 1 and sell on day 1 with price 7. So this is not possible and that obvious also, right? It's not like you buy tomorrow and sell yesterday. It cannot happen, right? So this is what they are saying. So let's see how we can approach this problem. So we will be solving this with two methods. First, brute force, and then second, we will see how we can solve this using optimal approach, right? Okay. So in the brute force approach, what we can do, we can have two for loop. We can have two for loop. We know that buy should be first, and sell should be second, right? And like sell should be cell should be after by, right? So what we can do, we can have two for loop. One, like one first will be running as by, and cell will be the next from the next index. Cell will be there, and we will keep on checking. We will keep on checking uh, the difference in sell and buy, right? The difference in sell and buy, and we will keep on updating the answer variable, right? And then we can get, like, we will generate the all possible combination, right? And we can finalize our answer, right? So let's see how that method will work with the help of code. Okay, so this is the code. You can see here we are finding the length of the prices array, and here we are defining one variable answer. Thus we will keep on updating, right? And here we have two for loop. The first for loop is for buy, as I mentioned, and the second for loop for sell. And that is like I representing buy and j representing sell, right? And we will keep on checking the difference in sell and buy, right? As I told, j is sell, so we are checking, uh, we are finding the difference in prices of sell minus prices of buy, and here the checks is there. If the profit that we are generating is greater than our answer, if that is the case, then we are updating our answer variable, right? So let's see this with the help of example, the given example. Then we will, like, run this code on a console. Okay, so let's see. So initially the I will be here, right? This is I, and this will be j, right? And then we will find the difference. This line will be executed. So it's 1 minus 7. It is minus 6. So is minus 6 is greater than 0, or initially it is, this answer is 0? No, this is not the case, right? So answer will not be updated. This code will not be executed, right? So what will happen next? What will happen? This I will be, a j will be here, right? This j will increment, and again we will find difference, that is 5 minus 7. Why 5 minus 7? j is at j is, like, the value of jth element is 5, and value of I, this will not increase, right? All the, like, this we will go and travel entire array, and then again this I will increase, right? it, so this way is minus 2. So is minus 2 greater than 0? No, it is not. So this code will not be executed, this piece of code, and this will keep on happen. Or if you see, let me show you. If you see here, this 7 is the biggest element in the entire array, right? Like the rest of the element, if we compare, 7 is biggest. So every time it will be negative value. Every time it will be a negative value. So in all the cases, we will get my negative value, and our final answer variable will be 0 only, right? So, okay. So the iteration 1 done, right? Once this I will be like exhausted. So what will happen? I will increase by 1. So we will come here, and j will be starting from here. You can see here this piece of code, j is always I plus 1, right? Okay, now let's check the difference. 5 minus 1, it's 4. Is 4 greater than 0? Yes, it is the case. So this will be updated with 4. Again, again, j will be, j will come over here. So 3 minus 1, it is 2. Is 2 is greater than 4? No, that's not the case. So what will happen? J will increase. Now, here we are getting our answer. 6 minus 1, it is 5. Is 5 greater than 4? 4 is coming from this answer variable. Yes, this is the case. Then we will update this answer with 4, right? So the answer will be 4, sorry, 5, right? Answer will be 5 because the current difference is 5. And this is how we get this answer and we will return this. So let's execute this code, right, and see. Let me run this. Okay, so I think this is getting accepted. Let me submit this. It is taking time because it is a brute force approach, and I think it will give the TLE. Yeah, you can see we are getting TLE after 197 execution, right? So 198 execution. So this solution is not working over here, right? But this is good to discuss in an interview. This is a brute force, and you can say that time complexity is O of n square, right? We have two for loops, and space complexity is O of 1 because we don't have any extra space. Okay, so now if you see what is the like improvement we can do, we can like if you see we are here, this is the biggest element and we are iterating the element entire array again and again, right? So what we can do, we can have the two pointer, right? One will be buy, one will be sell, and we will keep on checking the difference, and like if we are getting a profit, we will increase the pointers accordingly. Let's see how we can solve this using two pointer. Okay, so this is the optimal solution, like using two pointers. So what we are doing, we are having two pointer buy and sell at index 0 and index 1 initially. So this is buy, this is sell, right? And then we are having this loop till the we are not exhausting the cell like variable, this one, right? This will keep on increasing, and buy will increase based on the cell, right? Okay, so see, this profit we are finding the difference between sell minus buy. So like at present, like let's iterate over here. So it's 1 minus 7. This is minus 6. So and then we are checking if like we will be profitable when this buy is less than sell, right? But in this case, buy is greater than sell. So this piece of code will not be executed, and we will increase this buy, like we will update the variables by this way, like buy will be sell. So this will be this will be buy, right? And sell will increase by 1. So here we will get sell. And again this loop will be executed. Again the difference will be 5 minus 1. This is 4. Then this piece of code will be executed because buy is less than sell. Buy is 1 and sell is 4. So this is 4, right? And then again this cell will increase, so cell will come over here, and then again difference is 2, and here if you see, when cell will come over here, the difference is 6 minus 1 is 5. So this will be updated with 5, and this is our final answer. So this is how we solve this using two pointer. And if we talk about the time complexity and space complexity, so time complexity is O of n because we are iterating the entire array once at most, and space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. So yes, if you like this content, please do like, subscribe, and share the channel. And if you are new to this channel, you can check out other playlists also. We have like SQL, PySpark, interview related playlist, right? So let's meet in the next problem. Until then, bye.